Hello everyone. I'm making this little meditation video tonight here at the Healing Yurt in Scotland. This healing meditation is going to be a healing meditation from yourself for yourself, because we give so much of ourselves to other people, to the roles that we play in life, that we can quite often end up feeling lost in life. And sometimes we just need that little reminder that coming back into ourselves is actually the kindest thing that we can do for this existence, for every other piece of life on the planet as well. Because when you're operating at 100%, then everyone else gets to experience you at that 100% as well as yourself. So a great gift from yourself to yourself is to give yourself unity with yourself, and that's why we're calling this healing meditation unity healing tonight. So what I would like you to do is get yourself into a comfortable spot, but before you do that, I'm just going to say this meditation is just going to be my voice only. There's going to be no background music, so if you wanted to add in some relaxing soulful music in the background wherever you are in the world, then that's absolutely fine. So you can choose to pause the video here just now and go and get yourself ready, some music, settle yourself down somewhere nice and comfortable. You can be seated, you don't need to be sitting in the lotus position, you can lie down, just make yourself comfortable. Even don't worry if you feel yourself starting to drift off to sleep, because the meditation will then still work on a subconscious level within your whole being, and the flow will be allowed to go without interference from perhaps the mind trying to jump in at any point. So if you want to do that, please feel free to pause and go and do that. Okay, sitting or lying down. What I would like you to do now, if you've found a comfortable spot, nice and relaxed, just move your head gently from side to side, relaxing the muscles off in your neck, allowing your tongue to relax itself from the top of your mouth down to the bottom of your mouth, just relaxing. Just feel those muscles relaxing off, feel your eyes becoming nice and relaxed and the tension disappearing. And any muscles in your head just relaxing off, gently moving your head from side to side as everything becomes relaxed. And now what I would like you to do is just very gently place your left hand over onto the right hand side of your tummy, and just place it there and just relax your whole arm right off, and just feel your hand relaxing right down into your tummy. No pressure, just the weight of your hand and your arm relaxing right down. And now take your right hand and place it over onto your heart space, which is obviously over in the left hand side of your body. Just breathing gently in and gently out, no forcing. You don't need to focus on anything, just allow the breath to happen and just witness as that energy flows in to your body. And as you breathe, breathe ever more consciously, just allowing yourself to witness the breath coming all the way in, filling all the cells in your lungs with more oxygen as they flow through, all the way through all of your lungs and into your blood vessels, and all the way out to the organs, and all the way out to all the cells all over your body, as you feel the life rejuvenating with each breath in that you take. Just witness that life happening within. And as each breath comes out, also witness the rejoice of the balance that your beingness is experiencing. Each breath in is bringing new life, but each breath out is also bringing new life. There's a balance right in the middle. And just witness it happening. Just witness the breath going all the way in and all the way out. And then witness as your whole body starts to relax. All the way from your fingertips, relaxing all the way down. Up your arms and all the way down your spine. All the muscles relaxing all the way off. Down past your hips, down past your thighs. The muscles becoming lighter and lighter as every single cell in your body relaxes and rejoices in just being here now, all the way down to your toes. No trying, no effort, just witness the breath, rejoicing as your whole beingness is alive here now. Just witness as you don't need to try. Just be, just allowing the flow, allowing the breath in and all the way back out in complete harmony. Now as you become ever more present, witness your heart becoming ever more joyful, ever more loving, allowing the love to flow like a fresh spring in a mountain valley. Just allow that feeling to expand within your heart space. Allow it to flow out of your heart, and now you can feel that flow up into your right hand, very gently flowing up your arm, all the way up across your shoulders and down into your left arm, gently flowing down past the elbow of your left arm into your hand, as you can feel that love flowing all the way down your fingertips and all the way in to the top of your tummy where your hand is resting ever so gently, ever so loving. Just witness the feeling of unity with the flow of love. Witness the feeling of flow and of joy. Now you can start to feel this love, this unity travelling up from your tummy and down from your heart. As this love unites in your solar plexus, just below your ribcage, you can focus on a brilliant violet light expanding from your core, expanding from your solar plexus, expanding and expanding and expanding until your whole body is encapsulated with a brilliant violet light. Witness as this light expands and shines awareness all over your being. You are now witnessing the power of your own violet light. Allow the breath to flow gently in and all the way back out. No effort, no trying, no doing, just being. Totally relaxing the whole body and just be. Just be still within this body, within this moment. Just be here. Just be here now, as you are now in unity with your body. And relax. And witness the breath all the way in with no effort and all the way back out as your whole beingness is encapsulated with unconditional love from the self, for the self, in this moment. Just be and witness the joy, in the grace of your breath, of your unity with self. And now, just relax and enjoy this moment. Now you can relax and just be complete joyfulness in this moment. You are at unity with self, a living flow through every cell of this body you have been blessed with to experience life. The joy of love, the joy of life, the joy of laughter, the joy of being here, now, in this moment, with the unity of self. And just witness your breath, and witness life as it flourishes through every single cell of the body that you have been graced with. And just relax and allow your whole beingness just to be. Be here now, as I am here now with you, in unity with self. And now you can just either sit or lay there for as long as you so wish to just enjoy the moment.